At the ends of the building envelope object, you will notice the object grips. By selecting the object's circular grip, we can move it in all directions, defining a new length and/or inclination. Selecting the triangular grip, you can define a new length while maintaining a fixed alignment. Among the building envelope properties, we have the thickness and the material layers. Up to this stage, we have only seen how to insert perimeter walls using the material layer type with its thickness. If we need to insert additional building envelope entities, let's say the partition walls, from the general catalogue, we can select the type of material layer we require. In designing the new building envelope, we can proceed as seen previously. But if we draw the new wall at a given distance from a point in the drawing, just move to the insert point and hold down the less than key and click. We can then indicate the direction and set the distance from the set reference point by keyboard value input. Place the starting point of the building envelope and then trace its length until the desired endpoint is reached. We can then complete the drawing by inserting other partition walls in the very same manner. With the delete key, we can delete any unnecessary segments. To complete our drawing.